So what do we need to do to figure out the total cost of this candy? Go ahead. It's open.
So, William has your class, right?
He does, 6th period. Why?
Because I went to the bathroom and he started to verbally harass me and was peeking over the stall.
So write a statement, and then you'll need. Well, I'll have to give it to Mr. Bledsoe. Yeah, I don't have him this period. Thank you, Grant. All right. Sorry, someone had walked in. Come on, guys. What do we need to do?
I'm assuming multiply.
Yes. Multiply. So take the white chocolate, which is $4.50.
And multiply it by 2/3.
Yeah. Multiply by 2/3, and what do we get?
9/3, which is 3.
Yep, so $3 for the chocolates. All right, and then the gummy bears are $2.40. So we're basically taking half, right?
So $1.20.
Yep. And then what about dark chocolates?
Let me think. Hold up. Let me get my calculator out.
So we can take the 1 1/4, right, and make it 5/4.
Is it 7.5?
Yep.
Or yeah.
So $7.50. So add them together.
11.7? $70 or $7.
Yep, so $11.70.
I didn't write anything down.
I know you didn't. All right, so that is number 4. All right, number 5. Not number 5. Duh. All right, go back to day 2. Della earns $10.50 per hour working at a restaurant. On Friday, she spent 1 3/4 hours, 2 1/3 hours, and 1 5/12 hours. So what do we need to do?
Why can't Reagan be here? Okay, here we go.
So find a common
Denominator.
Yeah. All right, so 1 3/4 becomes 1 and what?
8, 12?
No.
That's not right. Hold up. 9 12?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then 2 and 1/3 becomes 2 and
4 12.
Yep. All right, so add them together. 9, 4, and 5.
5.5? Is that right?
Well, I do get 2, 3, so 4. Okay, so how did we get 5.5?
Well, I just added the 9, 4, and 5, and that was like 18. Yeah, 18. And then, subtract 12 from that, which is 1. So that's added to 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 5.
Yes.
And then, 6 12.
Yep, so it gives me 1 6/12, and we add that. So we get 5 1/2. Yes. So take that 5 1/2 and do what?
No. There's still more.
There's still more. So 10.5 times 5.5.
Hold up. HD fit.
Yep, 57.75. So that would be D. All right, day 3. What would we do? Sure. So price of a mailing of a small package is 32 cents for the first ounce and 21 cents for each ounce after that. So if it costs $1.16 to mail the package, how much did it weigh?
Hold up, calculator time.
So what do we need to do? Sorry. Trying to pull up.
Ounces?
Yes. So first thing we need to do is $1.16 minus 32 cents.
Which is, I think it was 84 cents.
Yep, 84 cents. And then, go ahead.
Well, I think you divide.
Yep. So if
Yeah,
I,
and that's 4.
yep. So that would be 4 ounces plus the 1 ounce. Yep. So 5 ounces. Yep.
Oh, that was a Z? I thought that was a 2.
That's why I put a line through it so you know it's a Z.
Oh, okay.
All right. So on your own, are there any questions about the video from yesterday? Now is the time to ask. Any questions? Sounds like no. All right, so let me see. That was, what was that lesson? 5.2, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
15.
All right, so into math, I see 4 people have done. So Tyrone, you are good to go. Leland, Naima, you're good to go. Micah, you are good to go. And then let me check focus real quick. Pockets? Is that what you just said?
I think he said pockets.
I don't know what he said.
Number 4 on paper is hard.
Okay. Well, let's look at it.
Well,
Yeah.
no one on focus?
Yeah, hold on. I'm pulling the paper. All right, so number 7 on paper. There isn't a 7 on paper.
I said 4.
Oh, I was like, huh? All right,
It's the tree diagram.
this one. All right, so what did we fill out?
Well, that's easy. Coin 2 is heads and tails. And then P, H, T.
Okay, how many outcomes do we have?
14. I think 14 is right.
Mm-mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I would do, Xander, is I would write down what my possibilities are. So HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT. And then come down here, THH, THT, right? So THT.
Are you serious? This makes it so much easier.
So those are your outcomes. That's what you can have. So
Okay.
Sorry guys, I'm still pulling up focus. So does that make it easier, Xander?
Yes, way easier.
Yeah, because now we need exactly 2 coins. So this one doesn't count, right? Because it's 3 heads. So you would have 1, 2, 3 out of those 8 outcomes. All right, so wrong class. All right, my focus people, I see Madison and Reagan. So you guys are good for today. That's probably why Reagan's not here. It's because she already finished it. Jameer, question.
Do you see me in focus?
I did not see you in focus. I'll go back. Did you just upload it?
No, I think it was tomorrow. Hold on, let me check focus.
I do not see 5.2 there. I see 5.1, but not 5.2.
Oh, okay.
Now, Maya, I have yours in Into Math, so if you want to go.
I know.
Oh, okay.
What?
Thumbs up here. Because these depend on F, G, H, and I. So what did you get up here, Jameer?
I got 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So then it's asking you what is the probability of getting a sum of 4. So how many sums do I have?
3
Out of what?
out of 9.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And then you write it as a decimal and a percent.
Okay.
Okay?
Thanks.
Uh-huh. And so it says compare theoretical probability of getting at least 1 head and 2 tails. Okay, so at least 1 head. So that means I can have 2 heads, I can have 3 heads. So all of these have at least 1 head except for tails, tails, tails. So that means at least one head would be 7/8, right? At least 2 tails, well, if I go back up here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 tails is 4/8. So it says compare the theoretical probability of it getting at least 2 tails and theoretical probability of getting at least 1 tail. So we know that this is 1/2. So you have a better chance at getting at least 1 head versus 2 tails. So that's what they're asking for.